Let's talk the story stock.
Forward PE.
Well, I want to say one thing though, Dennis.
Yeah.
This
Ps are
shoots some
meaningless.
holes in. It's not a. I mean, just
We're totally 1999, by the way.
reopening stock. Anybody that hit this on reopening stuff, and that, I mean, it's
come right back.
Yeah.
I thought it was over. I thought the 140 would be intact for a long time. I said it a month ago. I'm dead wrong. You know what? First thing I did wrong was go bearish on any stock, because everything just goes up. So I don't know when it all ends. Yeah, we're not at 1999 yet, though. But I still say, like, stocks like Apple have room. I mean, if you want to just go into silly town, Apple's, I know it's trading like 30 times earnings. You want to start getting a silly town, there's a lot of stocks trading a hell of a lot higher than that. Like we just said, PEs are meaningless. So I guess you shouldn't even analyze stocks on that basis anymore. But I mean, everything is just about a story. Look at FUBO.
Oh my Lord. Did you
look at FUBO? Mitch brought us this at $13. I bought that day. I already said that, after, Mitch talked about it on the show. I went out because I liked the story. I didn't know about it until Mitch talked about it. I was like, I like that story. And I sold some at 20. I sold some more at 30. And I held a little piece, and I've still got the little piece. And I don't even know what the hell to do with the little piece. I mean, I'm making more on the little piece than I did on the bulk of the position, because here we're up 30% yesterday. We're up another 16% today. The stock has basically doubled in 3 days. I mean, it's just gone bananas. This made sense when it was under $100 billion market or under $1 billion market cap. But what's the market cap in this puppy now? Like 7-8 billion? I don't know. I didn't look it up. I should look it up.
I mean, maybe
I could tell you, but I don't know if you'll care. You may not even care.
May not even care.
It's 900 million. I'm seeing.
No, is that all it's worth?
That might not.
No, that can't be right. It's worth more than that. It was worth 900 million when I first looked at it. I thought 2.6 billion.
Yeah,
as of yesterday.
Maybe that
$2 billion company. I mean, $1 billion they throw around like nothing now.
People are looking at this monthly chart down here in the lower right, and they're putting that target in there at 129.50.
It ain't getting straight there, but could this stupid market eventually take it there? Could take things anywhere. I don't know. I don't feel like selling anymore. It must be getting close to top. I don't even feel like selling anything, because everything just goes up the next day. Like it was up 30% yesterday. I didn't even think about selling FUBO yesterday because it was up 30%. I was like, it'll just go up tomorrow. That's how stupid this market is. I mean, it's just got me thinking it too. I was like, stocks that go up 30% go up the next day too. I mean, it's just gone to that point. We're in silly town, and the stocks that get the Robin Hood money behind them just don't stop. Eventually they will, and eventually we know, even Jemiah, and I'm still long the piece of Jemiah. It was some ugliness in there. I mean, it went from 40 down to 25, but what was that? It was another buying opportunity. Look at Jemiah now. Look at JMIA. It looks like it's ready to go again. Valuation, forget about valuation.
You do have actually this one. You do have some prior.
What do you got?
I mean, I'm just going on the monthlies here. You had a high at 48.
Yeah.
And that was the second month of trading. And then the all-time high was 49.77. So at least you do have some reference points. You look at a chart like that. I mean, yeah, it's silly town. You can look at it. I mean, you look at this FUBO, and I mean, what can you say? I mean, just
small company yet though. Like it's not like we're trading like 20 billion in valuation. I don't think it's getting to that, but I love the story when Mitch brought to us, streaming sports story. I'm like, that's a story I could get.
Is that like ESPN or? Well, I guess. I mean, I don't know.
I mean, Michael explained it to us yesterday. It's an over-the-top streaming platform. So it's over the top just means you skip the cable provider. You go over the top of the cable provider. You go straight from the networks to you, the customer. And so they have several dozen channels you can pay to watch. It's mostly sports, but they're getting into other things as well. They have other non-sports channels. But yeah, it's hot. I don't know. I'm with you, Joe. I don't know what there is to say.
It's maybe one of the that and QS are the two hottest stocks out there right now. Everybody's talking about it. Does have an ugly day coming? You betcha. You're going to see this stock drop 10 points in like 15 minutes, and everybody's going to be like, what the hell happened? Well, it's crowded. Everybody's jumped on the bandwagon. It needs a correction.